Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video which is going to be really helpful for you guys because festive season is right here and we all want to look our absolute best. Although we're not going to go out, we're still going to stay in and cozy in our houses, but we still want our skin to look absolutely beautiful and healthy. So whether you have an event coming up that's very special or you want to just make sure your skin feels plump and healthy and beautiful and glowing, this video is going to be for you. So now, without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. Okay, before starting, let me tell you, this is going to be a nighttime routine which is a little elaborate. Not as elaborate as a facial like your parlor didi would do, but it's going to be still a little elaborate because if you don't take care of your skin daily, when you want to make it look glowy and healthy, it is going to take little extra effort. So be prepared for that. And the products can be substituted with anything that works for your skin type. The products that I'm going to show here work for my skin type and I have been using them for a while and they absolutely work for me. But you can definitely, put things here and there according to your skin type. Also, my skin is a combination skin which is oily from the T-zone and dry from the circumference of my face. And now when that is put out, let's start. And first things first, we are going to get rid of all the jewelry here. Now today I shot a few videos due to which my skin has gone through a lot, because whenever I have a shooting day, I shoot usually 2 to 3 videos in one day, which helps me which helps my schedule not be as tight. Otherwise, if I shoot one video, it would become, I'll have to shoot too frequently, which is not my cup of tea. So I try shooting in one day 2 to 3 videos, so that way I have a few free days. This is the wig, and about this wig, if you have not seen, I have put out a video. You can go and check that out. I'll link it down in the description box. And yeah, so right now I'm going to place this where it belongs. And now when all that jewelry and hair are out of the way, we are going to do first things first, double cleansing. And I am using this Dot & Key makeup removing balm. This works absolutely beautifully for me because it just removes all the makeup out of my skin and makes it very clean. It melts as soon as it comes in contact with your body heat. And I'm going to get rid of all this makeup. Now if you think that you don't use makeup and you don't need double cleansing, let me tell you, if you use even a sunscreen, double cleansing is very important, because your sunscreen is not something that you can get rid of just by washing your face. So double cleanse it, whether you use a micellar water, whether you use any other makeup remover, but double cleanse your skin so that your pores are clean and they are not clogged, so that you don't have acne. Now when all that makeup is out of my face, I'm going to go and wash this face and we'll be right back. And now I have washed my face. I don't like drying it up with any cloth or any dish or anything. I just like it to air dry. But also what I like is using this Kama Ayurveda rose water. I just like spritzing it all over my face and then dab it into my skin, so it acts as a toner. I don't know whether it gives me the benefits of toner or not, but I just like that it gives me that refreshing feel. So now I'm going to dab it into my skin until it dries down well. And now my skin is nice and dry. All that rose water has been absorbed into my skin really well. And next step is going to be serum. And for serum, I am using this Minimalist Salicylic Acid Serum. I am using this in particular these days because I have been facing a lot of acne issues recently, which are not hormonal because it's been quite some time, and going to nicely spread that salicylic acid and apply it all over my face. Salicylic acid is actually a scrub, I may say, or an exfoliator, a chemical exfoliator, but it is also excellent for treatment of acne on your skin. So I am using this now. If you see, I have a really big one here. Now I had one here which has settled down completely. It's just spot left here, and then I have one here again. It was a really big one. It has settled down, and then I had quite a lot here which have all settled down after I've started using this salicylic acid. I will definitely have an in-depth review, so you can subscribe to the channel if you want to watch that and you want to be notified. So what I'm doing is I'm using that serum also as a spot treatment on my active acne right now. And now while my spot treatment is drying down, next step I'm going to do is use this Dot & Key 72-hour hydrating gel plus probiotics. This gives a very nice hydration to your skin. Whenever I apply this and sleep, I have always seen very plump and beautiful skin in the morning for me, always. So I'm going to take a nice generous amount of it on my fingers, just melt it a little bit, then start applying it on my face. So it's going to hydrate and plump your skin overnight. This product definitely works overnight, not in long term, but if you want something that had to have immediate effect and see immediate results, this can definitely work for you. And make sure whatever you're applying on your face, you're applying on your neck, because your neck deserves equal care. So I'm going to nicely massage this into my skin till it dries down, because this does dry down. And also make sure you go under your eyes, around your eye region, because this stress a lot. So yeah, this takes hardly a few seconds to dry down, so there's no massage needed, just a very gentle one here for a few seconds. And anyways, it's the massage that is going to rush the flow of blood towards your face and make it look glowing. So it has completely dried down. Till here, I don't feel anything on my face, like literally anything. I don't feel anything on my face because how lightweight this whole routine has been until here. And next thing I'm going to be using is this one right here. This is a moisturizer by Minimalistic in it is Cepicam 3% plus port moisturizer. This is how the packaging looks like. I am trying this from some time now, and this whole Minimalistic range actually I have been trying from a few months, and the review is going to be up by end of this month. So you definitely should subscribe if you want to see the review. So I'm going to pick this product, a generous amount again, take it on my hand, and then I am using this Squalane oil. This is a very lightweight oil. I'm going to take a few drops of it and mix it into my moisturizer. Now I mix it into my moisturizer because my skin doesn't take oils very well if I apply it directly on the skin. So what I do is I mix it either with my moisturizer or any other cream that I am putting on my face. That way I get the benefits of the oil without having that problem, because otherwise if I apply oil directly on my face, my skin starts breaking out, but this way it doesn't. So whoever out there has this problem that your skin doesn't take oil very well, try this method where you mix your oil into your cream or moisturizer, whatever you are using on your face, and you will definitely see the difference. Yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a gentle upward massage to my face. because we want to lift our face. So whatever massage you're giving, move upwards and make sure you're massaging your area near your eyes also, your eyebrows and the brow bone. These regions of your face really bear a lot. Just take a couple of minutes and massage your face and you'll see the results in the morning. And the last step of the routine is going to be using a lip balm because your lip deserves the care equally. And I am using the Body Shop Born Lippy in strawberry variant, and I'm going to pick a little bit of it with my finger, and I like massaging my lip balm into my lips and not just putting it on top of it. I like when it goes into my lips really well. And with that, we are done with our nighttime routine, and I am going to wake up in the morning and show you the results because I use this every time I have some special event. Only the thing is I change the serum according to my skin needs. Like right now I am breaking out, so I'm using salicylic acid. If I am not breaking out and it's a general day, I would use Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair because that works wonders on my skin. You might have seen me using it in some of my skincare routines. Apart from that, I also use retinol sometimes. I use hyaluronic acid. Now all of this depends on how my skin is feeling and what is it asking for. If it is feeling extremely dry and dehydrated, I just use hyaluronic acid with nice amount of moisturizer on top of it. And on general days, as I said, I would use Advanced Night Repair, and I switch also between hyaluronic acid 2 times a week. So that is what my serum looks like. Apart from that, I follow all the other steps just like that. Hyaluronic acid needs a little extra care because you need a little extra hydration when you are using hyaluronic acid. I will link the video here which shows how you can correctly use hyaluronic acid to get all its benefits. So that's all about that. And also one important thing, if you see, I am talking about some active ingredients here in my serum. So if you are planning to use an active ingredient, make sure you start slow and you go step by step. You don't, whenever you have a special event, never ever start with an active ingredient like salicylic acid that I used today. If you are having acne problem and you have an event tomorrow or day after, I would suggest just doing a spot treatment instead of like how I did. I first applied it all over my face and then did spot treatment. But for you, if you are beginning with it and you have a special event coming up, I would never recommend starting using an active ingredient. Instead, go for a serum like Advanced Night Repair, which just make sure that your skin is looking absolutely beautiful. Because when you use an active ingredient, your skin tends to purge and break out sometimes whenever you're using such things. So if you're planning to use an active ingredient, make sure you start well in advance because nothing is magic and nothing is going to work overnight. This kind of skincare routine can work for a day or two, but this is not something that's long lasting. So to have long lasting results, have a proper nighttime routine so that your skin can get all the benefits and everything that it needs, and that way you don't have to put that extra effort when you have an event coming up. Instead, have a nighttime routine that will help your skin be healthy and glowing throughout instead of just one event. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if there is anything that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. Until then, take care. Ta-da!